In this lecture, we will work with Active Directory users and computers. We will create organization units, creating users and groups. To start working, we have to open Server Manager. Go to Start menu, select Server Manager. Go to Tools, Active Directory users and computers. As you can see here, this is our domain, infosec.local. The IT here, this is I created before, and you have it in your lab. We will create a new organization unit and we will work with other users and groups. Now let's see how to create organization unit. Right click on the domain, select new, and select organization unit. Let's name it sales. So what is organization unit? It's just a folder you can keep your computers or your users and groups in it. Also, it's helping you when you are going to apply group policies. We will see that in the next lecture. Now we have sales organization unit. Let's create another one under sales organization unit. Go to new. Now here we will make sales users and another organization unit, or OU for short, called sales computers. Now computers, we are not going to create them because when any computer joining the domain, it will be in the computers organization unit, the default one. So we have here PC1. Right click on PC1, select move, and select sales computers. Now as you can see, PC1 now in the sales organization unit. Why we did that? Because we are going to apply a group policy on the computers itself. Let's go to sales users organization unit, right click, new, user. Here we have to type the first name, last name, and login name. The only mandatory here, the first name and the login name. So let's type first name John and the login name John. Next, put the password. And here you have to select from these options. Do you want the user to change his password on the first login? Yes, we need that because you don't have to know for security the user's password. Is the user allowed to change his password? This is the option for that. Is his password never expired? You can set that from here. Also, you can disable his account from here. Hit next, finish. Now we have a user. Let's create a group. Right click on the organization unit, new, group. This is sales group. Hit OK. Now I have a group. If you double click on it, there is no members. Let's add John. Hit add, type John, check name, hit OK, and OK. Now I have sales group. John, he is part of sales group. Now, if I create another user, for example, Andy, I put his password, next, finish. Even if Andy in the sales users organization unit, he is not part of sales group because we have a security features applied to the sales group. So if Andy part from sales group, we have to add him. Even if he is outside this organization unit. If he is part of sales group, we have to add him here. So you can add the user as well to the group. Right click on the user, select properties, member of, hit add, and select sales group. Now we have two members in sales group. Now let's test that. I'm going to log in as John to the PC1. I logged in as administrator. Right click, shut down, sign out. Click here, select other user. I'm going to type John. As you can see here, this is the username and I'm signing in to the domain. If I put the password, hit enter, it will ask you to change the password. Now I'm going to put another password. Hit enter. Yes, it's changed. Okay. Now I'm logging in as John. Now, as you can see here, if you hit start, go to this icon, you can see I logged in as John. If you want to go back and log in as administrator, right click, shut down, sign out. If you go to other user and typed here administrator, as you can see here, it's changing here to PC1. The computer thinks that you are going to log in as local administrator of the computer. You have to know that each computer has its own local administrator and it has a domain administrator. So if you want to log in as a domain administrator, you have to put the domain name before or after. So we have two ways to do that. You can type administrator at infosec.local. This is the first way. The second way is to type infosec/administrator. Now let's put the password for the administrator. Now I'm logging in as administrator. Try to do that by yourself. Create sales group or create any group you want and add users to the group. I hope this is clear. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lecture.